Biblically Centered Kids.
Well, hey there, kiddos. Happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for listening to the Biblically Centered Kids podcast. I'm so happy that you're here today. It is going to be a great day. My name is Miss Danika. Today is October 23rd, 2024, and we've got a little bit of a silly national holiday. Do any of you know of some footwear that sound like a reptile? Well, if you guessed, you're right. Today is National Croc Day. And again, that's not the actual reptile, but the shoe.
Yeah!
That's right, Crocs. You might love them, you might hate them, but they sure are fun and stand out. Crocs are sold in 90 countries worldwide and have become an international phenomenon. Do you own a pair of Crocs? I have to say, it took me a while to get on the Croc train, but I now own a few pairs. Mine are actually the sandal version, but still very comfy. If you own a pair, I encourage you to take a little bit of time to wear them to celebrate. All right, if you remember, this week we're learning all about initiative. Virtue Q says, we quickly take initiative in cleanliness and tidiness, not settling for laziness in any area. Today we've got a new game called I'm Thinking. In this fun and exciting game, I'm going to give you clues about something that I'm thinking of, and your job is to guess what it is. Each clue will help you get closer to the answer, but remember, you'll need to listen closely. I'll give you about 5 to 7 clues, and you can shout out your guess whenever you think you know the answer. If you can't figure it out, don't worry. I'll reveal the answer at the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. I'm thinking of something that swims in the ocean. It has fins and a tail. It breathes through gills. Some are really big and some are really small. They come in lots of colors, and people sometimes keep them in tanks. Do you know what I'm thinking? That's right, I'm thinking of fish. All right, number 2, I'm thinking of an animal. It has feathers and wings. It lays eggs. It can make nests in trees. It can soar high or stay low to the ground. And it's red. Do you know what I'm thinking? If you guessed bird, you are correct. And more specifically, if you guessed a cardinal, you are even more right. All right, number 3, I'm thinking of a place. It's very hot and dry. You can find lots of sand here. There aren't many trees. Sometimes you'll see cacti. There's very little water, but you might see an oasis. Do you know what I'm thinking? That's right, I'm thinking of a desert. All right, number 4. I'm thinking of a type of food that you might eat for breakfast. It's round and comes in different sizes. It's often served with syrup. You might stack them up high. You cook them on a griddle or a pan. Some people add chocolate chips or fruit. Do you know what I'm thinking? Yum! Pancakes! What do you like in your pancakes? My kids love sprinkles in their pancakes. I just love a good buttermilk pancake, but if you add in chocolate chips or blueberries on occasion, I really like that too. All right, number 5. I'm thinking of a mammal. It's really, really big. It lives in the wild in places like Africa or Asia. It has big ears. It has a trunk. It has tusks. Do you know what I'm thinking? That's right, it's an elephant. All right, number 6. I'm thinking of something that you can find in a garden. It starts as a seed. It has green leaves. Some are red, some are yellow, and some are orange. You can pick them and eat them in salads. You use them to make spaghetti sauce. What am I thinking? Was that one a little tricky? Well, the answer is a tomato. Bell peppers would have been correct until that last guess about the spaghetti sauce. All right, number 7. I'm thinking of something that bounces. It's round. You can throw it, catch it, or bounce it. People use it in a sport. You dribble it on the ground. It's orange. That's right, it's a basketball. All right, number 8. I'm thinking of a mammal. It's really big and strong. It's known as the king of the jungle. It has a mane. It lives in places like Africa. Do you know what I'm thinking? A lion! I think lions are so pretty. I know I would never want to get near one, but I just love seeing them at the zoo. And actually, Mr. Johnny and I have been on safari and have seen lions pretty close up from a Jeep without any sort of glass or anything. It was really cool. All right, number 9. I'm thinking of something you can find in the sky. It's bright and far away. It twinkles. Sometimes you see a lot of them. They make up constellations. Do you know what I'm thinking? That's right, a star. I love looking at the stars. Number 10. I'm thinking of something you find in winter. It's made with snow. You need to roll 3 big snowballs. It has a carrot for a nose. You might give it sticks for an arms. And sometimes it even wears a scarf. Do you know what I'm thinking? A snowman, of course. I love it when my kids make a snowman. Number 11. I'm thinking of something that you find in the kitchen. It's made out of metal or plastic. It has a round part at the end. You use it with your hands. It helps you scoop up liquid foods. It rhymes with moon. Do you know what I'm thinking? A spoon, of course, a spoon. Number 12, last one for today. I'm thinking of a specific type of fruit. It grows in warm climates. It's often used to make smoothies or tropical drinks. The inside is sweet and yellow. It has a tough, spiky exterior.
Ouch!
Do you know what I'm thinking? It's a pineapple! Of course, pineapples are one of my favorite fruits. They're so yummy and delicious. All right, well, great job. I hope you had fun playing I'm Thinking. Whether you guessed it right or needed a few clues, if you enjoy this game, let me know and maybe we'll play again sometime soon. Join us tomorrow for more fun and learning with our New Testament story. Until next time.